Wow, cryptos have been really falling. However, I have some really good news for you despite the crypto market falling down. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing exactly why it is not the end of the world, why Dogecoin is not over with, and much more. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the whole video. What's up everyone, my name is Miles and every single day I make videos and do live streams about Dogecoin, giving you guys the latest and greatest updates. We also do some awesome technical analysis where you guys are learning how to trade and how to chart. So if you guys want to make a lot of money and stay informed in cryptocurrencies and Dogecoin, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss my time sensitive videos. And if you want to get my daily trade alerts when I'm buying and selling cryptocurrencies, especially Dogecoin, Matic, Cardano, make sure you guys join the Patreon, which is in the link in the description below, where you will also get access to the 4,000 member Discord. You can get access to lessons of learning how to do technical analysis and much more. So go ahead and check out the Patreon, which is in the link in the description below. I'm also giving away 250 Doge this weekend to one lucky winner on Saturday. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and put anything in the comments below, and stay tuned for my stories on Instagram on Saturday evening. I will be announcing the winner and I will be sending that person 250 Doge that day. All right, and the time is here. Go ahead and click that like button. Hit that like button if you think Dogecoin is still not over with, that we are still here, that we have room to grow. If you believe in Dogecoin, go ahead and hit the like button. Let's see how many likes we can get this time, and put it in the comments below. Was this the bottom? Are we at the bottom? Are we headed up now? Or are we still going to see some more bottoms, some more dipping? Let me know what you're thinking below. Okay, so Dogecoin is up to nearly 34 cents after bottoming out about 29 cents. If we zoom in here, we are seeing a strong bounce, and it was great to see this. I watched Dogecoin this morning drop all the way and hit the bottom where we announced a trade alert in the Patreon. So if you would have bought that, you could have sold at already 13% in just a very short period of time, about a 6-hour period. So within 6 hours or less, about 5 hours, you would have made 12%. So congratulations to those of you who took the Dogecoin trade or the Matic trade or the Cardano trade, any of the other cryptos that we mentioned. But yes, we are seeing Dogecoin correct. We are seeing Cardano. We are seeing Ethereum. Let's look at Bitcoin. We are seeing these cryptos recover after that bottom. But the question is, was this the bottom? Is the dumping over with, or are we going to continue to the upside? But first, before we dive into the technical analysis, let's go ahead and take a look at some awesome Dogecoin news. Let's take a look at what's going on in the overall market. So here we have some awesome news. We have Glamnetic, BitPay partner for crypto acceptance. So Glamnetic, a magnetic eyelash brand, has rolled out a new partnership with BitPay, allowing the acceptance of cryptocurrency as payment method, according to the press release. It says Bitcoin, Ether, Dogecoin, and others will be accepted. So we are seeing a lot of companies using BitPay to accept cryptocurrencies for payment for services. This is absolutely amazing. And I think that eventually, maybe a year from now, 6 months from now, every store, it could be longer, it could be shorter, but I'm thinking like maybe a year from now, a year and a half or so, I'm thinking every store is going to have something like this, like Walmart, you know, like your local grocery store that will accept cryptocurrencies. Because why wouldn't companies want to accept an asset, or basically a currency that grows in value, that can't be depreciated, that isn't controlled by a government, that more of it can't be printed so that the value of it lessens? Why wouldn't people want to accept the fastest growing asset, one of the best growing assets in the world, versus holding it into the US dollar, which continues to depreciate and crumble each and every single year? Look at this. You guys may have already known about this. A lot of you guys have been talking about this for a while. But look, the NHL San Jose Sharks begin accepting Bitcoin. The Sharks will also accept Dogecoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. What? Through BitPay. So we are seeing other live sports. I told you guys that, remember when the Dallas Mavericks started accepting Dogecoin for tickets and merchandise? I said other sports teams are going to roll out and start doing the same thing. They're going to cause it's going to cause a chain reaction for other sports teams to do the same thing. So eventually, maybe a year from now, year and a half, could be less, where you can go to any NFL game, MLB game, hockey games, whatever type of game you want, and you can pay with your Dogecoin, you can pay with your cryptocurrencies. And if you guys want to get a really good platform to buy cryptocurrencies and stocks, use my WEBULL link in the description below. If you deposit $100, they will give you 2 free stocks worth up to $3,000, which you can immediately sell and buy any cryptocurrency with on their platform or stocks. I highly recommend it, or you can just sell it and send it to your bank account. Look at this. Somebody posted this on Twitter. It is a remodeling commercial and residential company, and they're now accepting Dogecoin. Look at that. That's awesome to see. We're seeing more companies, more people starting to do this, and it's just getting started. But why is this important? Let me tell you exactly. When other people start to accept cryptocurrencies for their services, other people might rather pay or hold cryptocurrencies than a US dollar that depreciates, as I've been saying. Other people might rather have all of their money in maybe cryptocurrencies or something that appreciates better than the dollar to make all their bill payments, to pay their mortgage, to pay their car bill. Eventually, it's going to be in the future, you can pay everything with cryptocurrencies. So people are going to convert to cryptocurrencies to have a stable monetary asset, a stable monetary value, which cryptocurrencies will be more stable in the future, because compared to what it will be, there's not as much people in cryptocurrencies now. It's like $1.5 trillion are in cryptocurrencies total. But if the whole world converts to cryptocurrencies, we could see 10, we could see 20, we could see 50, we could see $100 trillion in cryptocurrencies. And when there's that much money, cryptocurrencies, yes, they will continue to grow as more people get involved, as more people begin to buy it, as more people begin to use it, but it's not going to be as volatile. You won't see 20% swings. You won't see 30 to 50% swings. So cryptocurrencies are the future. Dogecoin is the future. And that's why we are the pioneers. That's why it's good to get in early. Compared to the prices now, comparing to what they will be in the future, this is nothing. Worrying about these 20% drops, worrying about these 30, 40% drops, these 10% drops after going up 8,000, 11,000% is absolutely ludicrous, because we understand that Dogecoin, if you understand the fundamental analysis of Dogecoin, understanding what it is, what it can be, understanding Bitcoin and Ethereum, understanding what they will be in the future, Bitcoin will be potentially millions of dollars. Ethereum will be hundreds of thousands of dollars. Cardano will probably be hundreds of dollars. So these cryptocurrencies will be hundreds of times what they are now and what compared to what they will be. So if you take a look all the way back, years back, remember Bitcoin was pennies and it hit $65,000 a single coin, 65,000. Looking at Ethereum, look, Ethereum was pennies too, and Ethereum hit $4,500, just nearly 4,500. Look at Dogecoin, it was less than a penny months ago, and here it was 70 to 74 cents. And here is the big question when it comes to Dogecoin. Is Tesla going to accept Dogecoin? This is the key question. And I've been seeing, you have been seeing on Twitter, people saying that Tesla is going to accept Dogecoin. There has been some leaks potentially of people saying Tesla is going to accept Dogecoin. Now, if this does happen, I've been saying in my live stream, I've been saying in my videos, if Tesla does accept Dogecoin, that will bring a huge pump to Dogecoin. It will bring a huge pump to the altcoin market and cryptocurrencies at the same time. But this will be massive news for Dogecoin. For other car companies will probably start to do the same thing, accept Dogecoin, accept cryptocurrencies, but especially EV vehicle companies, maybe they will want to accept Ethereum, Cardano, Dogecoin, because it's more eco-friendly. But Elon Musk, he even said that people in the Bitcoin space, they're working to make it more energy, more green, efficient, and that will allow Tesla to start accepting Bitcoin again, and it will also allow more cryptocurrencies potentially to be accepted by Tesla. But the key thing is, this could happen, this announcement could happen any day now. Yes, it could happen tomorrow, 6/9. It could happen on Elon Musk's birthday towards the end of the month, or it could happen after July, the month of July. People are saying Tesla is going to be accepting Dogecoin. I also want to share with you this very important piece of information that nobody has really talked about. But historically, cryptocurrencies, they are bullish in certain months. In some months, they are bearish. And this pretty much plays out every single year. If we take a look at this chart, we see January, generally a bearish month. And that's what happened with Bitcoin. Bitcoin hit a top, then we had a consolidation and a correction for a while. Look in March, we see that negativity. We also see, look, in June, negative months. There's 4 generally bearish months for crypto, and we are in that bearish month, June. And generally July, August October, November, these are really, really bullish months. And I believe July is going to be a huge green month for cryptocurrencies. So we could be in this correction phase for the month of June, maybe towards the end of the month, once the futures contracts start to expire and then there starts to get green back in the market. Who knows? That's certainly a possibility. But I think if we do continue this correction, the correction could last till the end of the month, or this could be the bottom where we start to slowly start to get back to up to where we were. Bitcoin 40,000, Ethereum 3,000, Dogecoin 40 cents, 44 cents. Once we start to get back into these numbers and we start hitting July, I think we're going to see all-time highs in the month of July. I think we can get back to the all-time highs and see new all-time highs in the month of July, August, and people and experts are speculating, towards the end of the year, October, November, these months are going to be incredible for cryptocurrencies, where we are going to see massive pumps, massive run-ups, 50% gains, 100% gains in a single day, and continuing to pump without major corrections, because these are the months that we're correcting in. It's building momentum, it's building accumulation into cryptocurrencies. So we have much green to come. We've pretty much exhausted nearly all of the red that can come. I think we can go a little bit lower. That's certainly a possibility, but it does not look like it. It really does not. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to continually remind you with technical analysis, look, the lows are continually getting higher each and every single time. The lows are not breaking past. We are not getting lower lows, which is a very bullish, very healthy sign that we are in a correction still, that we are actually recovering to the upside, and that we are going to continue to see green. So we had about 3 days of red, and now I think it is time for cryptos and Dogecoin to shine, especially as we approach June 9th, which will be tomorrow, which might be a very bullish, a huge day for Dogecoin. I hope and pray that that will happen. But if it doesn't, yes, we could see further down. We could go down lower. We can maybe see 28 cents. Then we have another level of support, which should be 25 cents. And then we would have the support of 21 cents. But I really don't foresee that happening. Each and every time cryptos try to pump and to go down to the downside, we're seeing these strong levels of support hold up time and time again. We're not seeing new lows. So I'm not worried. I am not concerned for the least part. And I truly believe 100% that we will break all-time highs, that we will pump very soon. It's going to happen any second now. And it's going to be a time you least expect it. Cryptos will just start to go up and up and up and break levels of resistance. And you wish you would have bought at these levels. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and share this video with some of your friends and family who are into cryptocurrencies to encourage them about Dogecoin and so forth. And if you want to get my trade alerts, you want to talk to me on the phone, if you want to learn technical analysis, make sure you check out the Patreon, which is in the link in the description below, and I will see you guys tomorrow.